Assalamu Alaikum, dear kids. Welcome back to the story of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In today's episode, we will learn about one of the most important events in Islamic history, the Battle of Badr. Get ready to learn how Allah helped the believers in a truly amazing way. After moving to Medina, the Muslims finally had peace. But the Quraysh in Makkah were still angry. They had taken the Muslims' homes and wealth. Now, they were planning to fight them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, heard that Abu Sufyan was returning from Syria with a caravan full of goods taken from Muslims. So the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Let us intercept the caravan to get back what is ours." He set out with only 313 companions. They had just 2 horses and around 70 camels. When Abu Sufyan found out, he sent for help. The Quraysh gathered a mighty army, over 1,000 soldiers, fully armed. The Prophet stopped to speak with the Sahaba. He asked them, "Should we go forward?" One by one, they stood and said, "We will not say as the people of Musa said, 'You go, and your Lord fight, we will fight by your side.'" This shows their great love and loyalty. That night, the Prophet, peace be upon him, stood in prayer and made dua with tears. "O Allah, if this group is destroyed, there will be no one left to worship you." He begged Allah all night. Then Allah revealed this powerful verse. "Remember when you asked help of your Lord, and he answered you, 'Indeed, I will reinforce you with 1,000 angels, following one another.'" Surah Al-Anfal 8:9. Imagine, thousands of angels came to help the believers. Even though we cannot see angels, we believe in them. The Muslims stood strong. Though they were few, they had strong faith. They began with dua, and then bravely faced the Quraysh. The first to fight were Ali radiyallahu anhu, Hamza radiyallahu anhu, and Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu, brave companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him. And Allah had already given you victory at Badr when you were weak. So fear Allah. Perhaps you will be grateful. Surah Al-Imran 3:123. With Allah's help, the Muslims won the battle. Many Quraysh leaders were defeated. It was a clear victory from Allah. Let's remember some lessons from the Battle of Badr. Always put your trust in Allah. Make dua sincerely like the Prophet, peace be upon him. Be brave and united, just like the Sahaba. Never forget, victory comes from Allah, not from numbers or strength. Wasn't that such an amazing story? The Battle of Badr showed how Allah helps those who believe and stay patient. If you enjoyed this story, give it a big like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you won't miss the next episode in the story of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon. Thank you for watching this beautiful story from the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And to hear more inspiring Islamic stories made just for kids, click the special subscribe link in the description below. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes, inshallah. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.